CEREC, in my opinion, is one of the best pieces of technology available in dentistry today. The newest version, CEREC Prime Scan, is amazing. We can scan your entire mouth and make a full three-dimensional model of your upper and lower teeth in less than 5 minutes. From the scans, we can make almost any restoration you could ever want. Some of them can be made in the office in a single visit. While you relax and watch TV, we are able to make 1, 2, or even 3 crowns right here in our office. This beautiful custom crown is then bonded securely, and you have just saved yourself a second visit. We also can make your SureSmile aligners, bleaching trays, dentures, implant crowns, all from an easy scan of your mouth. It truly is amazing, and I'd love to show you the possibilities. Call us for a free consultation to learn more.